Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A6 launched in 2018. So what we need is, next to the phone, the pin. The pin is part of the box. If you don't have it, you can take otherwise also the edge of a paperclip. So with the edge of that pin or of the paperclip, you enter the small hole in here of the big SIM tray. It's the one below. Enter the hole. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. So here you can put a second SIM card if you have the dual SIM version of the phone, and here on the big part you can enter a micro SD card. It has to look like that. The contacts are below. The little gap here in front is normal, and you just put it back like this and it's done. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, and thank you so much for watching this one, and maybe until next time. Ciao.